Hello and welcome to Runman Records Design. Today we show you landscape design, garden ideas, made from rusted metal. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching! In this video we will explore the benefits, different types, DIY techniques, and inspiring ideas for incorporating rusted metal in garden landscaping. Get ready to discover how this unconventional material can transform your garden into a captivating and enchanting haven, adding rustic charm to your outdoor space. One of the major advantages of using rusted metal in your garden design is the instant infusion of rustic charm. Whether it's through rusty planters, sculptures, or fences, the patina of rust adds an undeniable allure. It gives your garden a naturally aged look, as if it has been around for years. So, instead of trying to hide signs of aging, embrace them and let your garden tell its own captivating story, enhancing durability and longevity. It's no secret that metal is a durable material, but when it's rust, it gains an extra layer of protection. The rust acts as barrier, shielding the metal from further corrosion. This means that incorporating rusted metal elements in your garden can actually increase their longevity and ensure they stand the test of time. So, not only are you getting an aesthetically pleasing addition to your garden, but also something that will last for years to come. Rusted metal planters and containers. Say goodbye to boring plastic planters and hello to rusted metal ones. Rusted metal planters and containers add a touch of vintage charm to your garden, effortlessly elevating your plant displays. Whether you opt for small pots or larger troughs, the rusty patina will provide a stunning backdrop for your favorite flowers and plants. It's time to give your garden a rustic makeover. Rusted metal fences and gates. Rusted metal fences and gates offer a unique alternative to traditional options. They bring a touch of industrial charm to your garden, while still maintaining privacy and security. The rusted finish adds a touch of warmth and texture, making your garden feel welcoming and intriguing. DIY techniques for rusting metal in the garden. Using vinegar and salt solution. If you're feeling adventurous and want to try your hand at rusting metal yourself, a simple vinegar and salt solution can do the trick. Mix equal parts vinegar and water. Add a generous amount of salt and spray or brush the solution onto your metal surface. Then let nature work its magic as the rust begins to form. It's like giving your metal a DIY makeover while enjoying a science experiment at the same time. Maintenance and care tips for rusted metal in the garden. Protecting rusted metal from excessive corrosion. While the rusted metal adds a certain charm, it's important to protect it from excessive corrosion. Applying a clear sealant or a specialized metal protectant can help preserve the metal's integrity while still maintaining its weathered appearance. By striking the right balance, you can enjoy the benefits of rusted metal without worrying about it deteriorating beyond repair. Inspirational examples of gardens with rusted metal accents. Showcasing rusted metal in modern garden designs. Modern gardens thrive on clean lines and minimalistic aesthetics, and rusted metal accents can be the perfect addition to enhance his style. From sleek planters to geometric sculptures, incorporating rusted metal into modern garden designs offers a captivating contrast between industrial elements and natural surroundings. It's an innovative way to create a visually striking garden with an urban edge. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope these ideas are helpful for your garden. You watched my channel about landscaping, Runman Records design.